Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 30 TFSI. It comes finished in the gorgeous arrow grey, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car's done 6,522 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. In the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid with rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces. And driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And telephone to stay in touch with friends and family. Below you have the manual air conditioning system, so driver and passenger can choose the preferred temperature. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt USB charging points. Finished off with the automatic gearbox. And 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.